Let's start exploring the key differences between IFRS and GAAP. Firstly, in terms of origin and usage, IFRS is utilized in over 140 countries, including the European Union, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. In contrast, GAAP is predominantly used in the United States. The difference in approach to accounting is also significant. IFRS is principles-based, meaning it offers flexible guidelines that emphasize the spirit of the standard. On the other hand, GAAP is rules-based, characterized by more detailed and prescriptive rules that must be adhered to. This fundamental distinction impacts how companies approach their accounting practices. When it comes to inventory accounting, IFRS does not allow the last-in, first-out method, commonly referred to as LIFO, while GAAP permits it. This difference in inventory accounting can lead to different financial outcomes depending on the method used. Regarding revenue recognition, both IFRS and GAAP utilize a 5-step model, yet IFRS tends to have broader principles, while GAAP provides more detailed, industry-specific guidance, resulting in varying interpretations of revenue recognition standards in practice. The treatment of development costs also differs between the two frameworks. Under IFRS, some development costs may need to be capitalized if certain criteria are met, whereas under GAAP, development costs are generally expensed as incurred. This can lead to significant differences in how research and development expenditures are reflected in financial statements. Another key distinction is in the revaluation of assets. IFRS permits the revaluation of specific assets, such as property and equipment, to fair value, while GAAP typically does not allow for upward revaluations. This can impact the balance sheets of companies, influencing the overall financial picture they present to investors and stakeholders. The presentation of financial statements also varies between these two standards. IFRS requires fewer line items and allows for greater judgment in presentation, whereas GAAP imposes more stringent formatting requirements. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.